Andersen.
Alright guys, don't be mad, but I didn't tell you I'm in the Bay Area, and we're back with my Bay Area brother, Abdallah. So we arrived into town. Also, don't judge me because we didn't drive the Benzes down, but
I'm judging hard.
Yeah, we brought the Toyota Sienna that we rented, so we'll get into that later. But last time we were here, you guys remember seeing Abdallah's CLK?
Yup.
Supercharged, and there's been a lot of updates since then.
It actually runs right now.
Yeah.
It makes proper boost and shit.
So we made a good tuning progress, a bunch of other stuff we've been back and forth with and behind the scenes on that thing. So you can go follow.
It beats stock E55s.
Yeah.
That's all we need.
So go check out his IG. I'll link it down below, all that stuff. But you'll see his updates on the builds. We're in his wagon right now. Tell us about this thing real quick.
It's just your run-of-the-mill 94 E320 wagon, but it's got a little special 5-speed in it.
Run of the mill until you get there.
Yeah, that I happened to rob from that car behind us.
Yeah, he's got a 300 behind us, 124 sedan, and yeah, he wanted me to take it for a cruise, so I wasn't even gonna record a video. Just wanted to hang out with my boy, but it's time, so he'll wheel the camera.
Might as well.
See how it is. He told me I had to drive it anyways because if we did put the 5-speed in the C36, this is similar to what I'd be feeling. So
minus 0.4 of a liter.
How low and slow are we here?
No, not at all.
Just gotta be careful.
No, not at all. It's a easy driveway.
Right.
Let's see. You should hook a left from here,
Okay.
because then we won't be stuck at the light.
Gotta get my feet positions right. Here we go.
So this also has a 306 diff in it, because
nice.
I changed that as well when I did the swap. So it picks up nice and happy compared to the 265. Don't mind my radar detector going off for no reason. Alright, pin it.
Yo!
Yeah.
That feels good. What the heck?
Told you.
This is a 3.2?
Yeah.
That feels great.
Told you have to drive it.
Dude.
It's a different beast.
I'm not even in second right now.
Yep.
That thing feels good. Okay. Let me adjust my seat real quick.
Yeah, go for it.
I like. The shifter feels really good too. It's all stock assembly?
Yeah, stock shifter. I just did the bushings on it. It's actually still missing the, you remember that silly bracket that goes to the exhaust from the transmission?
Yeah.
It's still missing that because I haven't modified it yet, you know, cut it and weld it to the right spot.
Gotcha.
Between the M104 and the M103, but it feels nice even without it.
How many, you just finished this, right?
Yesterday, yeah.
Wow. And it's got, so this is the all stock dual mass.
Single mass.
Single mass.
Single mass.
From, oh yeah.
From the 300E.
Okay,
yeah,
okay.
The 86s came with the single mass.
That's sick.
And then all the 89s and upwards were dual mass flywheels. Yup. Oh, once that guy goes, you can pin it.
Dude, this is, wow. That's way better than I thought.
And the speedo reads about 20 miles over, so because I haven't gotten that fixed yet. I'm still running that cable.
Is it, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. So mechanical?
Mechanical.
Nice.
Once I get the old cluster dropped down to the same mileage, then I can run it in and it should be okay. Because it's gear, since I have the rear differential from that car, along with the transmission, the gearing should be identical.
I'm glad you made me do this.
Oh yeah, dude.
This feels great. Wow. I haven't driven a 5-speed car except for the Kazi.
Dude, the 5-speed,
Yeah.
like this one is one of the most comfortable manuals I've ever driven, dude.
And and my 5-speed is a dog leg too. It's a little bit different.
Hell yeah.
But
A little bit better.
Feels good, yeah. Yeah, I liked it. It was a good experience in the Kazi.
I'm actually looking for a dog leg right now, but not looking too hard because I just finished this.
Yeah.
But when the time is right and I find one, I'll definitely snag it up because I would want it for this car later on.
It's peppy. This.
And then go hook her right in here and then do the U-turn right here. And quick left right here. You know what we say? Hell yeah, brother. Little shout out to Cletus, I guess. He's not watching this.
Yeah, Cletus. I don't know if Cletus will ever stumble upon my channel.
If he ever joins the dark side, the Benz side.
I'm waiting for one of those guys to someday, like, accidentally end up building a Benz.
I don't know, bro. I
I don't think it'll ever happen, but
I think you'll get famous before that happens.
yeah, I'll take that in the universe, I guess.
I think you'll be the the famous Mercedes YouTuber before that happens. Those guys are in too deep to American cars,
Yeah,
man.
they're all over. Dude, I'm so impressed. It feels great. The car drives great, number one. The suspension feels great on
yeah.
it. It feels very planted.
So the whole front end is rebuilt,
Yeah, it feels
suspension
like
wise. The rear, I haven't touched it yet, but it's not too shabby yet. It has H&R lowering springs, Bilstein V8s up front. The hydraulic shocks in the rear still working fine. And I just adjusted them down to lower them with the H&Rs.
So does it?
Oh, and it has R129 sway bar up front too.
Okay.
From a 500 SL.
So the rear, it's called like SLS suspension or whatever? Yeah, so is there a reservoir out back for it, or how does that?
No, the reservoir is up front.
Okay.
And in the back, there's just accumulators.
Okay.
Along with the hydraulic shocks.
So it's like an early ABC
Yeah,
type
essentially.
Okay, that's cool.
The 16 valve stock came with the same type of suspension in the rear, but
500Es.
and 500Es.
Yeah.
And then you had the E55s, the 210s, that are Euro spec. Those ones came with full 4 hydraulic shocks.
Interesting.
All 4 of them.
See if I can
Yeah,
shoot right
just
here.
freaking go for it.
I'm so used to the cooler work shifters and everything now that like when I drive the stock shifters again, I gotta make sure I'm placing things right.
These ones, they're easy as
Yeah, this
hell.
one feels nice and tight though for a stock shifter, especially. It feels good.
I actually still need to do Delrin bushings inside the shifter.
Yeah.
I have all of them. It's too tedious for me. I'm just waiting on a day where I'm really freaking bored. Really bored.
Did you go to Radwood this year? No? Yeah, I think they have theirs still up at Griot's in August, but I don't think I'll go to it. All right guys, we're chit-chatting and hanging out, but I wanted to show you guys inside the shop real quick. Got a couple gems hanging out in here too.
This is the G55 with the supercharger.
Oh, sick. The late model ones, yeah.
Yeah, 06.
That's Roshi's dream car. My wife, yeah, that's what she wants.
I freaking hate these.
I hear they're terrible to work on, but
I used to
yeah.
love them, but once I started having to figure out issues with the transfer case and whatnot,
You're like the 5th person that has told me that exact thing.
Look how much stuff you have to get out just to get to the module. I had to take the whole center
Oh
stack out.
my goodness.
Yeah.
I replaced the starter on a 550 and it wasn't too bad, but I was looking under there at like the universal, all the stuff, like the huge globe, like
it's a pain.
it was
absolute
yeah.
thing is like you go for wiring diagrams on them, right? And you can't find the info from Mercedes itself. Why? Because this shit ran from 1970 something
It's
all the
too
way to
old
2019.
Oh my gosh.
There's so many different variations of wiring, of everything. It had, I think, if I'm not mistaken, this thing had more than 20 motors in it.
Sheesh.
It had the
that?
M103,
Oh,
the
you're
M104,
talking about G class. Yeah.
It had the M103, that same chassis.
Dude, wild. All right, other cool cars sitting out here, guys. We got the SL63 would be a great manual swap candidate. Got the 210 E55. That's yours, right? Yeah. I saw the sticker, the Nürburgring sticker in the back, and then Abdallah's 300 over there too. So
My first ever manual to auto conversion.
So he auto swapped that car and manual swapped the wagon. So pretty cool.
Don't let manual lead us jerks on Facebook find that out. Didn't.
Okay, I just forgot about these guys. Abdallah has been keeping these parts for the CLK for me for a long time.
I forgot to take the clips out.
I think I have some. I'll find some. But
yeah, you will.
Yeah, I will now. You guys know I don't think I'll ever see a CLK in the junkyards up in Washington because there's just nobody bought coupes, but they have a plentiful up here. So
like 5 right now.
yeah, so he got the rear carpet for me, the little kick panel and side panel. So
oh yeah, nice.
And
so
yeah, so
cover. This one I got one, but it turned out to be for a C class, and I don't know where it is. But
I'll find one. Anywhere. I was actually going to ask you what's my best pick and pull to go, because there's Newark, there's
Newark and Oakland are going to be the closest ones, but you're going to be in Antioch, so I think
I went to Fairfield last time.
Yeah, Fairfield.
It was nice. Like it was around the air base. You guys remember that old video? What engine bay, guys? It's a 210. He took his CLK 55 box, put it onto here. Supposedly this one's got the nice silver color too.
Supposedly good for 5 to 10 horsepower.
Yeah, I think they for sure make a difference.
I mean, I had my buddy drive it. He just got an E55, and his is really clean with like 93,000 miles. Got it for $6,000, which is nothing.
That's
yeah.
With how many miles you said?
93,000
for $6,000. Wow, what a deal!
Cherry ass interior. The
that is a deal.
Like dark colored, because the bird's eye maple always fades. And he drove his car for a while, and then he hopped in mine, gave it he drove it for a little bit. He's like, dude, your shit picks up faster than mine.
Yeah, it's broken in.
Think of is the airbox.
The airbox, yeah.
It's the only thing.
Comment down below if you guys would buy a 6K 93,000 mile E55.
I'd buy that one.
yeah. All right, guys, that's the end of the video right there. Legends never die. Huge shout out to Abdallah for having me again. I was just coming to hang out with him, but of course I'm never going to pass the opportunity down to drive a manual swap in. So good work.
Yep. Hopefully
a lot of work, but
we go out.
Yeah,
you guys get to see it on the video.
We'll try to link up again. I know it's random, you guys did not know I was here, but I'm here, so I'm trying to make the most of it.
Bringing Brooks to the NorCal car scene.
Yeah. Anyways, much love to this guy, much love to you guys. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.